Does size really matter? Maybe this size or this size or this huge. Does it really matter? This is a very good question that needs an answer. But whichever the size you want. Before we continue on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep them. If you are looking for videos about men, do well by subscribing and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's proceed. Does size really matters? Since you have seen different sizes, this one, and this huge, does it really matters? But in today's video, it's all about this size. What matters is the mode of application. Size does not matter. Anyone telling you that size matters is trying to deceive you. Size does not matter. There are someone that might have this but doesn't have strength, and there might be someone that might have this and there will be enough strength. If you have a good health, you don't have anything like diseases or sicknesses that might interrupt your job, you will perform well. So size does not matter. What matters is the means and the mode of application, the way that the man is doing the job. If he can take out his time and do that job, you will enjoy it as a woman. You will become satisfied no matter the size. If that man can take out time, touch where he's supposed to touch, do the kissing very well. Not all men can do it, because some men can just go in and go out, but the perfect and best man will do it gradually, and gradually is what matters, not size. Size is just being lucky or fortunate to have it, but ability is a great virtue of doing the job. So size does not matter. What matters is the means or the mode of application, the way of doing the job. That is what matters. So don't let anyone to deceive you. If your man is not fit or cannot do the job very well, find means and natural remedies to make him to do the job very well. Teach him, go online and learn how to do it perfectly. You will enjoy your marriage. You will enjoy your man or your boyfriend. I hope you like this video and you get value from this video. If you do, subscribe for more videos and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Put down your comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.